Hi. We spend one third of our time asleep, almost one third of our life. That means around 20 years. Imagine if we had that time for so many other things, like we could watch hundreds of TV shows, or we can read a lot of books, or we can do another degree, we can get another education, or doing so many things. But it's necessary. The sleep is really important, and we can't function without it. So our bodies are like machines, and the way it needs energy, way it needs to sort of work, it also needs rest. Our bodies have been blessed with a simple function like sleep. So sleep is an automated function. It works similar to how we eat or how we breathe. Whenever our body needs to sleep, it gives us a signal and then we sleep. So our body regenerates while we are asleep. It's literally destroying and creating new cells when we are asleep. So there's not much happening outside, there's a lot happening inside the body. Our body does tissue repair, muscle growth, protein synthesis, and releasing and managing hormones when we are asleep, most of which happens when we are asleep. Most adults need around 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Children and kids need a little more. When we are awake, we're using body's energy to work or to do different things, or think. Most of our energy goes to our brain, but when we sleep, we are sort of conserving that energy, and we are not just conserving that energy, we are using that energy to do other things, other internal things that sort of our body needs to do. Our body uses this downtime to improve the functions of brain. It uses this time to remove the toxins and to sort of connect neurons in a new way, that the memory is improved, so that we retain things better, so that the associations that are there in our brain, they are sort of connected in new ways. Our metabolism is improved when we are asleep, so we are sort of digesting things, and so it's breaking different things that we have eaten, like protein and sugar and glucose, to sort of energy molecules that we can use later. So sleep is also an important function in healing us. So when we are sleeping, our body heals itself better. That's why you would have seen that whenever we are not sick, our body forces us to sleep a little more. There are three stages of sleep. There's light sleep, there's deep sleep, and there is REM sleep. In the light sleep, it's just the initial stages when our sort of brain is slowing down, the frequency of waves is slowing down, and our body is sort of initiating sleep. Deep sleep is where most of the sleep happens. It's where our sort of heart rate reduces, our sort of brain waves even reduce even further, and we are sort of mostly asleep. It's the sort of that's why it's known as deep sleep, where we are asleep for most of the part. The third and very important part is REM sleep. REM sleep is basically rapid eye movement sleep. It's the sleep where our brain sort of becomes active again, and it's the sleep where it's the stage where we have dreams in our sleep. So, what if we don't get enough sleep? It causes our body to lack important hormones, and lack of sleep also leads to hypertension and stress. Lack of sleep also causes us to lose our memory. Our memory recall becomes weak. It also stops us from learning new things, and that's why, since we saw that when we sleep, our neurons sort of connect in new ways, and when we are sort of not sleeping enough, that stops us from learning. That stops us from sort of retaining what we have studying and retaining what we have known. So it corrupts your memory as well. The way we process new information is impacted, so we fail to process information and sort of become fuzzy. And you would have seen, if you are not sleeping enough, you become fuzzy, and you lack attention, and you're irritable. Causes us to become moody and irritable, and sort of overall to be a bad person to be around. So we become really cranky. Serious lack of sleep can cause more severe symptoms like hallucinations, etc. Lack of sleep also makes us tired. It's a way for our body to tell us that we need rest. With lack of sleep, our heart rate and our body temperature drops. Our breathing rate increases. It also slows down our kidney functions. Sleep deprivation can also cause our immune system to not function properly, so we could become prone to diseases, like simple diseases, even like cold and flu, to sort of attack us faster. Over long periods of time, sleep deprivation can cause hypertension, obesity, heart diseases, or risk of heart diseases, and increase the risk of anxiety and depression. So it's really important for us to get a good night's sleep. What are the things that you can do to get a good night's sleep? Maintain a schedule, sleep early and wake up early, avoid distractions, Avoid digital screens like mobile phones, reduce the light in your surroundings, and listen to a relaxing sound. My personal favorite is listening to an audiobook. That sometimes helps. That sort of is because my eyes are closed and I'm just listening to something, and so that I'm prone to sleeping. Another great trick could be just not have anything. Just keep your phone away. Keep all distractions away. Close your eyes and just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Slow down your breathing and just try to get to sleep, and it should help you to. So yeah, take care and sleep well.